1, 2, 3! Yay! Oh! Wow!
What?
Huh? No food.
No!
Maybe it's broken.
What happened, Daddy?
Food vending machine is broken.
Let me try. I want juice.
What? Does it work? Now I will try.
Okay, come on. No!
Where is my food?
Daddy, try to toss a coin.
I will try again.
Okay.
It works! Does this food vending machine only accept coins?
Of course.
What?
Really?
Huh? What? Oh.
Yegor, go wash yourself.
Oh.
Cool. Awesome. Wow.
Huh? What? Huh?
Yegor, where did you get so many candies?
In the bathroom.
Seriously? Okay. Now I will have candies.
Okay.
Where are my candies? There are no candies.
Huh? 1 second. Cool. Wow.
What?
Okay, come on.
Huh? What?
Where is my ice cream and candy?
Hey!
Candy.
Kids, eat more vegetables and less candy.